As I turn slowly, I admire the way the shoe complements the natural line of my legs. The pointed toe, the sleek sides, the slender heel, every detail designed to flatter, to enhance, to celebrate femininity in its purest form. The color, the texture, the way the pumps catch the light, it's simply mesmerizing. They have that magical ability to draw the eye, not loudly, but with a soft, irresistible charm. The kind of beauty that doesn't need to shout to be noticed. Trying them on feels like slipping into a different world. A world where every step is a little more poised, every gesture a little more graceful. They transform not just how I look, but how I feel. More confident, more radiant, more connected to the beautiful woman I am inside. This is why I love shoes so much. It's not only about fashion, it's about the feeling, the transformation. The little spark of joy that comes from finding something that fits not just your feet, but your spirit.